Welcome back once again. For my third task, I imported the necessary libraries. Then I uploaded my data sets. I checked for the first 5 rows in the data set using the add function to visualize my data set. Then I checked for the shape. I found out that it has 9,994 rows and 13 columns. To check for the overview of the data set, I use the info method to see. It is observed that I have 8 objects, 2 integers and 3 floats types in my data set, and there are no missing values in it. Then I describe my data set using the describe method to check. So I found out that the count is 9,994, the mean 55,190, the STD the minimum, the 25 the median, which is the 50%, the 75%, as well as the max. Then I check for the number of unique items in my data set using the nUnique function. I check for missing value. There are no missing values in the data set. I check for duplicates using the duplicated method, and I found out that we have duplicates in our data set. So I decided to drop them. So using the drop underscore duplicates, and I use the in place equals to true to make it permanent. Then I check again to see if it has actually been dropped, and I found out that yes, we no longer have any duplicates in our data set. I check for the correlation using the .corr method to see how correlated the columns are. Then I visualize the relationship between sales and profit using the rel plots Seaborn, and from here it is observed that the more profit are gotten from sales of technology. Also, more work needs to be done on office supplies because the company makes more loss from its sales. Furniture has less loss but stay at even, so company need to work on it to make profits from it because it already has a market of sales. Then I visualize the shipping mode with segments using the rel plot method as well, and it is observed from it that consumers use all shopping modes to ship office supplies, and they are the major customer for office supplies. It's also noted that the type of ship mode used in shipping furniture contributed to not being profitable. So it is observed that first class method and same day method are used, which might be so expensive, and that is why the company is making loss on the furniture category. Then I visualize as well the relationship between the region and the profit using the bar plots. It is observed that in the central region, more work needs to be done there because that is where the least sales for furniture was recorded, followed by the east region. So the company needs to concentrate more on this region so as to make improvements on the sales of furniture. Then I also state the top states with highest sales. I created a variable called top states, and I assign it to the column state.valueCount.add. So to see the 5 first rows, 5 first states, and it's observed that California has the highest sales. Then I visualize it using the bar plot lib. Also checking for what is sold by state. So I group by category, then I check by state value count. I assign it ascending to be first so that it can come from the descending, and check for the first 10 rows of the descending states. It is observed that California topped the list, and the category of what is being sold there is more of furniture, so followed by New York and so on. So I visualize it to show how much sales is being made in this state, and it is observed that it is furniture that is more sold in these regions. And if we could remember that furniture was not making profit, so the company needs to look into how to make it more profitable in this region by looking at the shipping mode in which the furniture are being brought to this region. Thank you.